Garlic, one tiny clove, yet it has been called nature's antibiotic, the healer of the heart, and even the plant that fights death itself. But here's the shocking truth. Most people eat garlic the wrong way. Some cook it in a way that completely destroys its healing powers. Others overdo it, risking dangerous side effects like dizziness, stomach pain, or even internal bleeding. In this video, you'll discover the right way to eat garlic to unlock its healing powers, the wrong ways that waste its potential or harm your health, the shocking dangers nobody talks about, and the little-known garlic hacks that let you enjoy its benefits without the bad breath, stomach issues, or side effects. Stick with me until the end, because I'll reveal the one garlic mistake that doctors never warn you about. But it could save your life. Ready? Let's dive in. Section 1. The history and power of garlic. Garlic isn't just food, it's history in a bulb. Ancient Egypt. Archaeologists found garlic bulbs in the tomb of King Tutankhamun. Records show Egyptian laborers ate garlic daily to boost strength while building the pyramids. Ancient Greece. The Olympians ate garlic before competitions as their ancient performance enhancer. Traditional Chinese medicine classified garlic as a warming herb, used to move energy, stimulate circulation, and fight infections. Ayurveda. India, known as rasona, used for digestion, infections, and as a tonic for vitality. Medieval Europe. Garlic was hung above doorways to ward off evil spirits and even used as protection against the plague. Modern science confirms much of this folklore. Garlic contains allicin, the main active compound, released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Sulfur compounds, responsible for its smell, but also for its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Antioxidants protect cells from damage and slow down aging. Garlic has been treasured for thousands of years, from the pyramids of Egypt to modern hospitals. But the shocking thing is this: if you eat garlic the wrong way, you might not be getting any of these benefits at all. Section 2. The nutritional profile of garlic. A single clove of garlic, just 3 grams, contains vitamin C, boosts immunity, helps collagen for skin. Vitamin B6, supports brain health, mood regulation. Manganese, important for metabolism and bone strength. Selenium, antioxidant mineral. Calcium, copper, iron, potassium. Trace minerals vital for overall health. Less than 5 calories. But the real stars are its bioactive compounds. Allicin, natural antibiotic and antifungal. A gene blood thinner, heart protector. Diallyl disulfide, cancer-fighting properties. Garlic is proof that big things come in small packages. 1 clove has fewer calories than a stick of gum, yet can fight cholesterol, kill bacteria, and protect your heart. Section 3. Health benefits of garlic. 1. Heart and blood pressure. Garlic relaxes blood vessels, lowering blood pressure naturally. Meta-analysis. Regular garlic can lower systolic blood pressure by 7 to 10 millimeters of mercury, as effective as some medications. Prevents blood clots, lowers stroke and heart attack risk. 1 clove of garlic a day could keep the cardiologist away. 2. Cholesterol and diabetes. Lowers LDL, bad cholesterol, while raising HDL, good cholesterol. Helps diabetics regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity. Study. Garlic supplementation reduced fasting blood glucose levels by about 10 milligrams per deciliter. 3. Cancer prevention. Sulfur compounds block activation of cancer-causing substances. Reduces risk of stomach, colon, and esophageal cancers in high garlic-consuming populations. Lab studies show garlic extract can even slow tumor growth. 4. Immunity and anti-infection. Allicin equals natural antibiotic, kills bacteria like E. coli. Fights viral infections, common cold, flu. Antifungal, effective against candida yeast infections. 5. Anti-inflammatory and detox. Reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, useful for arthritis. Boosts liver enzymes, aids detoxification. Garlic works like a Swiss Army knife for your health. Lowering cholesterol, balancing blood sugar, fighting infections, and even slowing cancer cells. But here's the catch. All of this is useless if you eat garlic the wrong way. Section 4. The wrong ways people eat garlic. Cooking garlic immediately after chopping. Heat destroys allicin within seconds. Solution: crush, wait 10 minutes, then cook. Overeating garlic. More than 3 cloves/day, stomach issues, blood thinning, dizziness. Garlic supplements with fillers. Many pills equals low allicin content. Eating raw garlic on empty stomach, for sensitive people, causes bloating, nausea, diarrhea. Mixing with meds, blood thinners, warfarin, aspirin, plus garlic equals dangerous bleeding risk. Blood pressure meds plus garlic equals too low blood pressure. Most people unknowingly destroy garlic's healing power the second they throw it into a hot pan. Worse, some turn this superfood into a hidden health hazard. Section 5. The right way to eat garlic. Step 1. Crush or chop to release alliinase enzyme. Step 2. Wait 10 minutes before cooking, ensures full allicin formation. Best method: eat raw garlic, allicin intact. If cooking, add at the very end. Best combos: garlic plus honey, natural antibiotic, sore throat cure. Garlic plus lemon water, morning detox drink. Garlic plus olive oil, Mediterranean heart protector. Ideal dose: 1 to 2 cloves/day, safe and effective. Never exceed 3 cloves/day unless advised by a doctor. Garlic isn't magic unless you activate it. And the magic switch is just 10 minutes of waiting. Section 6. Dangers and side effects. Blood thinning. Too much risk with meds/surgery. Bad breath and body odor. Sulfur released through lungs and sweat. Digestive issues, bloating, gas, diarrhea from raw garlic. Acid reflux, GERD. Relaxes stomach valve, food comes back up. Dizziness, when combined with BP meds. Allergies, rare but possible skin irritation or rash. Garlic is powerful medicine, and like all medicine, the right dose heals, but the wrong dose harms. Section 7. Garlic hacks to reduce side effects. Chew parsley, mint, or green tea neutralizes bad breath. Eat garlic with food, not empty stomach, less stomach upset. Try aged garlic extract or black garlic, gentler, odorless. Drink plenty of water, flush sulfur compounds. Section 8. Garlic for beauty and skin. Anti-aging, antioxidants slow cellular aging. Anti-acne, sulfur kills acne bacteria. Collagen booster, vitamin C plus sulfur helps skin elasticity. Garlic doesn't just heal you from the inside. It can actually keep you looking younger, fresher, and even fight acne naturally. Section 9. Garlic myths debunked. The more garlic, the better. False. Overdosing causes harm. Garlic pills work as well as fresh. False. Most lack active allicin. Garlic can cure every disease. False. It supports but doesn't replace medical care. Section 10. The correct dosage and final secrets. 1 to 2 cloves/day equals sweet spot. More than 3 equals risks outweigh benefits. Best time with meals or before bed. With honey. Secret hack. Garlic plus honey on empty stomach for immunity boost. So now you know garlic is a healer, protector, and age fighter. But only if you eat it the right way. Remember, crush, wait, eat. 1 or 2 cloves a day is all it takes to transform your health. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend who loves garlic, and subscribe for more health secrets.